Finding the best cordless hair clippers for men and women can completely transform your grooming routine. The right choice brings confidence, convenience, and a polished look that fits your lifestyle. Whether refreshing your appearance or maintaining your favorite style at home, investing in a reliable clipper can make every haircut feel effortless, satisfying, and professionally finished without leaving your comfort zone. Number 1. Cordless hair clippers for men. A well-groomed appearance often creates a strong first impression, making personal care an important part of everyday life. This cordless hair clipper and beard trimming kit offers a practical solution for anyone seeking a neat, refreshed style without frequent salon visits. Designed for convenient home grooming, it helps create a clean and confident look while saving valuable time. The rechargeable design supports a flexible routine, allowing users to maintain facial hair, shape sideburns, or refresh a haircut whenever needed. An adjustable blade system provides greater control during styling, helping achieve a polished result that matches individual preferences. The integrated display adds convenience by keeping important operating information visible during use. Many people value comfort, independence, and consistency in their grooming habits. A reliable trimming tool can support those goals while reducing the stress of scheduling appointments. Whether preparing for a professional meeting, a family gathering, or a special occasion, maintaining a tidy appearance can boost self-confidence and leave a lasting impression. A carefully maintained style often reflects attention to detail, personal pride, and everyday professionalism. Number 2. Chemi Professional Hair Clippers Set for Men. 8000 RPM high-speed motor, powerful 5 watts DC motor delivers efficient cutting even for thick hair. 2000 mAh large battery. Long runtime with LED display showing remaining power clearly. With base charger, easy and stable charging, always ready for barbershop use. LED display, real-time battery level and speed status at a glance. 2 adjustable speeds, flexible for different hair types and cutting needs. Professional for barbershop, built for daily heavy-duty use in salons or home barbering. All of our products have 12-month warranty. Due to airline regulations, liquids are not allowed on the plane and the product does not have lubricants. Chemi We have professional and experienced research and development and production teams, as well as a reliable and strict quality control system. Number 3. VGR Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Dual interchangeable covers customize your styling with 2 detachable covers, adding a personal touch to your grooming tools. Luxury carry case set, travel friendly with a premium carrying case that secures all accessories, keeping your grooming gear organized. DLC coated blades. DLC coated blades offer superior sharpness and longevity, staying cooler under heavy use. VGR trimmer vertical bar. VGR clipper vertical bar 11000 RPM vector motor. Experience precision with a robust 11,000 RPM vector motor, ensuring smooth and efficient cutting for all hair types. Wireless charging dock. Effortless power with a wireless charging dock, ready whenever you need your trimmer with no cords. Number 4. Professional hair clippers for men. Diamond-like carbon, DLC, coated blades for smooth, precise cutting and reduced friction. Brushless motor technology ensures durability, energy efficiency, and quieter operation. 10 watts output power delivers sufficient torque for all hair types and styles. 11,500 RPM high-speed performance enables fast trimming with professional-grade results. Removable magnetic head cover simplifies cleaning and maintenance with easy access to blades. Number 5. Wall Lithium-ion Pro Rechargeable Cordless Hair Clippers. Wall Lithium-ion Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clippers for Men offer the power of a corded clipper with the convenience of a cordless clipper. The hair clipper features self-sharpening precision ground high-performance hair cutting blades that cut through the thickest hair. The adjustable taper lever is perfect for adjusting the blade length for blending between cutting sizes and fading haircuts. Attach any of the included attachment guards to the clipper to achieve the right cutting length. Included in the kit are 12 snap-in lock cutting guards in sizes 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1 and left and right ear tapers. This hair clipper kit also features a high torque max power motor with cordless lithium-ion charging technology.